I'd love for you to dive into my campaign because I cannot figure out what is causing these out of area leads.
Yeah,
Maybe I have something like ticked off, or should I share my screen and then you can like take over?
100%. Yeah, we can take a look. Some honestly, like it's also depends. Some markets you do just get out of area leads and you just have to keep an eye on the percentage. Like if
Yeah.
one or two of every 20 leads out of area is kind of something you can accept if like you're getting booking rates from other good leads. But you said you're getting a lot of out of area and then also a lot of like, did you say bad phone numbers?
Yeah, there's some disconnected phone numbers. So I changed my form now to also ask for the email as optional, so I could at least reach out to them at email if the phone number is disconnected. But yeah, so
So let's
go
click on
ahead.
that campaign you've got
Yeah.
there. Cool. Let's click there should be like an edit button somewhere around here.
You want to do the top or
So
bottom one first? Doesn't matter.
just do the top one to start with. I mean your lead cost and everything looks good.
Yes, it is pretty
Like
good.
in
But
general.
I'd say about 50% are out of area or disconnected. And
Mhm.
then the other 50% are like kind of normal. I'm getting like 50% conversion on them. So I'm at like probably 20% conversion on this campaign
Yeah.
when in the past I've been at like 50 or 60% overall.
Okay, let's slowly scroll down. Cool. Okay, where locations is, go up a little bit. Click
Show
the
more
pencil on
detail.
locations. If you hover over, yeah, yeah. So click locations, scroll down. Okay, yeah, hit show more controls. No, I mean everything looks good. When you say out of area, are these like in like a like neighboring area, or is this like different states?
So I've gotten so most of them are just neighboring, like, because we don't service Detroit, so a lot of them are in Detroit, but I've also gotten so, like, that would be, like, here, and then I've also gotten some in Flint, and I also got, one in, like, Illinois, so that was, like, random and weird, but that was just one.
Okay.
But most of them are in Detroit.
Okay, go to one of the ads for me quickly on the left-hand
Yeah.
side. Scroll down for me. Let's see the
Oh,
lead.
do you wanna see them one by one or the
No,
form or
just any of them. Okay, hold on. So we got the form. Okay, cool. Okay, so you're asking full exterior, interior cabinets. Go to the next page. Tell us about your project. Cool. Phone number, email. You don't have to have email optional. You could just have email as email. We always ask for name, email, phone number as required.
Okay.
Okay, next step, and that's just filling it. Okay. So in this center box here, just scroll down. Let's just see what you've got going on in here because it's lagging for me a little bit. Okay, so
You're good.
okay,
It just lags for me
okay,
too,
so you got
so
your copy.
my bad. There you go.
Okay.
And then this is the primary text. I'm only running 2, copies.
Yeah, that's fine. The
And
copies are good as long as you've got at least two, just to give Facebook a
oh, this is 3 actually.
little bit of
I
flexibility.
believe I have
Okay.
3 headlines, yep.
So in your copy, are you saying specifically what areas this is for?
No, I just been saying Oakland County in general, but this one is Novi, Northville, West Bloomfield, Farmington.
Okay.
So
I would
as
mention
actually I don't even think I mentioned it at all in these ones, but in the other one I was mentioning in, like, the other ad set, I was
yeah.
mentioning Oakland County, but this one I didn't mention it at all, so you want me to switch up that language?
So I'd say it's helpful because Facebook reads and scans everything that you've got. So like if in the ad, like even at the bottom, at the very bottom, you could put an asterisk and say currently serving Northville, Novi, da 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 da. Just so it's like abundantly clear the areas. So there's a couple things that you can change on this campaign. So one of them is go up to where the lead form selection was. I think you had to scroll up. Okay, go
Oh,
down
my
a little
bad.
bit, just underneath where those lead form options are. Yeah, okay. There, stop. This has been really good to tick, this chat with leads from instant form. What it basically does is like we've been turning this on for a lot of people, is every single time someone fills out a lead form, it's going to automatically have them start a message in your Facebook page with that information. So like let's say that I'm filling out your form, Joseph, and I put in my name, email, my phone number. As soon as I click
Yeah.
submit, it will automatically have me message your page with my name, email, my phone number so that you can start a conversation with them there as well. And it's just another
Oh,
way, another touch point to try and get them to book because they're already on Facebook. So turning that on is super helpful. Now, if we go back to your ad set up here quickly, there's another one or two changes we can make. So on the left-hand side,
mhm.
go to your ad set. Okay, so one of the things you've got at the top here, if you don't scroll anywhere, at the very top, you selected
Oh, the website and
website and
form.
instant forms,
I got
which
you.
means Facebook may be sending people to your website or to an instant form, but we only
Yeah.
want them to go to an instant form. So when you create this new campaign, you want to select just instant forms. You see here? There you go
Yeah.
here. You've got instant forms there.
I have to remake the ads manager to do this, or can I
So
edit
you
it?
can just duplicate. So again, I'm trying to
Oh,
draw again. You
duplicate it.
can't see it, but you can duplicate
Okay.
the ad set. just change
Yeah,
it to
yeah.
instant form. And what you can do is go and exclude those areas. If there's specific areas that you don't want on that
I
location
got you.
targeting, you can actually exclude areas. So you can draw a big bubble around Detroit and mark it as exclude. Or you can
Got
add
it.
in a bunch of zip codes and add it as exclude as well. Right, exactly. So you could
Mm,
drop a pin on Detroit, you could change it to exclude.
yeah.
It's not going to be guaranteed, but it will help. But I
Okay.
think change the ad set to instant forms, add a few exclusions, make in the copy you actually call out some of the areas that you are targeting and specific for, and then
Yeah.
tick that box that says, also message the leads after the form is filled out. I think between all of those, it should help.